No offer, no clients. Why start with a clear offer sending SMS texts? Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. What if the real reason your marketing isn't working has nothing to do with ads, algorithms, or even effort, and everything to do with one simple thing you're missing? Here's the truth. Without a clear offer, your posting, emailing, texting, or calling rarely gets results. Think about it. Have you ever worked hard on social media, networking, or even paid ads, only to have nothing stick? Why does that happen? Because there's no irresistible offer leading the way. A strong offer in hand is the foundation of both quick wins and long-term success. Without it, social posts feel random, emails fall flat, and SMS texts get ignored. But when you build a clear, compelling offer, every message has purpose, and every follow-up has the potential to turn into a client. In this video, I'll walk you through how to find your best offer, how to share it through SMS texts, emails, newsletters, and social media, and how to balance quick wins with long-term growth. Once you understand this, you'll never look at your marketing and follow up the same way again. Here's the secret most professionals overlook. Your best clients already want what you offer. They just aren't hearing from you often enough with a clear reason to act. That's why permission-based SMS text follow-up is such a game changer. It's direct, it's personal, and it gets the highest open rates of any marketing channel. Imagine this. If you sent just one opted-in offer by text each week, that's 52 touch points per year, 52 times you're staying top of mind. So when the timing is right, instead of scrolling past another advertisement or calling a competitor, they're reaching out to you. Quick versus long-term success. Quick success comes from simple permission-based follow-up, sending a weekly SMS offer to opted-in, financially qualified prospects. This creates fast wins. Long-term success comes from building habits, consistent newsletters, social posts, and emails that nurture over time. You need both, but the key is balance. Would it surprise you if I said you should spend 80% of your time on quick wins and 20% on the long game? That's what keeps you growing without burning out. Why most marketing fails? The real reason so many business owners don't market and follow up consistently isn't laziness, it's confusion. They don't know what to say. No offer means no message. No message means no follow-up. And no follow-up means no clients. The solution isn't more work, it's building one strong offer you believe in and repeating it. Anchoring your marketing. A deal is what you sell. An offer is how you present it. The best offers are framed so your ideal client says, "Yes, I want that, I can afford it, and I'm ready now." A business has to anchor its marketing around either one strong deal or new deals as they come in. Without a clear offer, there's nothing to promote, nothing for prospects to say yes to, and no reason for follow-up to work. For many businesses, the best path is one strong core deal that almost every qualified client wants. This becomes your signature offer. You promote it again and again until people recognize it and are ready to act when the timing is right. Other businesses like real estate or anything with limited inventory work differently. Each deal is unique. The urgency comes from the fact that once it's gone, it's gone. The offer changes, but the process stays the same. Identify the deal. Package it as an offer. Share it with your audience. What if landing your next client was as simple as sending one SMS text message? Do you already have a go-to deal you promote, or are you scrambling to come up with something new each time? If not, let's walk through a simple process you can use today to create your very first offer. Step 1, find the deal. Can you think of one property right now that would make buyers say, "I don't want to miss this"? Step 2, create the offer. Once you've spotted the deal, package it into a short message that explains why it's worth paying attention to. The key here is clarity. Make it obvious why someone should care. Step 3, share it. Now, don't keep the deal to yourself. Share it with your opted-in audience, the people who've already raised their hand and said they want to hear from you. That could be through a social post, an email, or an SMS text. Example SMS. Hot deal. 3-bedroom in neighborhood. Just listed $25,000 under market value. Want details? Reply yes, or click here. Think about it. If someone in your network has been waiting for the right time to buy, could this one message spark action? Step 4, automate it. If you don't have automated email and SMS campaigns yet, that's where we come in. Give us a call, and we'll help you set up your first system so every deal you find can become your next closed client. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. So here's our challenge. Set aside time each week to identify one deal, package it into a simple offer, share it by text with your opted-in list. That's it. One offer, once a week. Over time, those offers stack up, and the results will surprise you. If you've never built an automated SMS texting follow-up system to quickly get clients, you're leaving money on the table. Let us show you how to set it up in your Go high-level software account. Check the link in the description, and we'll walk you through it step by step. You'll have your first campaign live in one day, and your first clients responding the next day. We even created a free quiz for you to try. Discover the best way to grow your business faster. Visit humanbrainbox.com at the top of the website, click the button, take the free quiz, and see firsthand how a simple set of questions can transform your website into a client-generating machine. Or visit humanbrainbox.com/quiz. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.